Can you hear me good now, chat? Can you hear me good now? We good? The mic's not muted, as you can see. The light's on. The mic was on. It was on. All I did was reset it. I don't know why. I don't know why it didn't work. But good morning to everyone. Jose, Amanda, and Tony, I saw you three say good morning first in the chat. I will remember that when we do giveaways. What's up? What's up, Wizzy? Chico, Lady Huntress, Fierce. I see you. What's up? What's up? What's up? I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Let's put this mic down in a good spot where you can hear me. So today is Martin Luther King Day, so it is a bank holiday. So slow markets today. Just a heads up, it will be slow. It will be a bit choppy. The banks typically do not trade today, right? So it's pretty much retail traders moving the markets. Okay, so please be patient today. I'm not really expecting much until, well, actually, let me slow down because it looks like something just happened. But I was going to say I was expecting it to be slow till around 10. But looking at this 8 o'clock hour, wow. Just dropped 200 points? Am I seeing that right? 200 points, chat. As we enter the room, 200 points on that gold drop. Whoa. Okay, whoa. All right, we're going to start from the beginning and we're going to do our daily analysis. Looks like we're getting some volume today. Now, what's up, Smokey? I see you. Now, remember, today is Trump's first day in office, technically. So today is the start of a new president controlling the markets. When I say controlling the markets, I just mean what he says will affect the markets. Just a heads up. I don't know if you remember last time Trump was president, but he would say something. NAS US 30, it will go like 300 points, 500 points. It'd be insane. So we don't know what to expect. Just throwing that out there. And he does have a speech today at, I believe, 12. Yes, he's speaking today at 12 o'clock New York time. So if you're on the East Coast, 12 o'clock. If you're on the West Coast, it's 9 o'clock. If you're in Mountain Time like me in Arizona and in Las Vegas, then for us it's 10 o'clock in the morning, okay? So we have about 3 hours and 15 minutes until that happens. Please do not trade at 12 o'clock New York time today. We don't know what's gonna happen. All right, those are your warning signs for today. Let's take a look at the daily chart here, y'all. We got our new weekly candle setting in. On that weekly, it did look like we were bullish. We built a support here. We started pushing up. If I draw a line here, right, it looks like we closed above here. We retested it. We closed bullish. It is very possible that this week may want to continue up bullish. We'll see. You know, we will see. Or it's possible that this week wants to come back down towards this area. About 600 points away, by the way. So we'll see what happens. Let's come down to the daily. And by the way, the reason why I say that is because we have an imbalance here in the weekly on this candle, and we never filled it out. So that's why I said I believe we can still go bullish. We still have room. I don't have an arrow. We still have room to continue up, filling out this area. So that's why, that's my theory. Now checking this out on the daily here, looking like doji vibes, right? We broke the previous daily low. It meant nothing at all. And we're back where we are, right? We bounced back up. So this is definitely going to be interesting. I think what I'm going to do is add that daily low in as a level because it was the previous daily low. So why don't we do that? And it kind of looks like Thursday's high, we had a bit of a bounce. And this is Monday's high. Thursday and Monday's high, it looks like we had some type of bounce in that area. So that's why I'm going to highlight that. Let's take a look at it on the 4 hour. Yeah, you can really see how we bounced in that area. We're just going to be taking our time today on the charts, y'all. Why do I have these two lines together? What are those two lines? Okay, I see. Big bounce here. This was at 722, 723 in the 20s. In the early 20s here, we had this bounce of 120 points going on right now, y'all. I can't make this up. We came on, it dropped 200 points. Now it just bounced up 100 points. Be careful. All right, this is unusual volume, right? Is that something that typically happens? No, right? So whenever we have unusual volume in the market, that's something you want to recognize always, okay? Always recognize unusual volume. So I will be watching this on a higher time frame. The 15-minute, yeah, that's going to give us some detail, but I'm most likely going to be watching this on the 30-minute. We'll flip back and forth between the hourly. We're definitely going to let this hourly candle close. It's going to close in about 10 minutes. Okay. No play right now. Let the market do its unusual stuff. Okay. I'm just nosy. Just going down to the 5. Just being nosy here. Kind of got those double bottom vibes on this level. Which is why, and I just placed this level here too. So yeah, chat, new levels placed today are these two and this one. And again, we just created a double bottom. Appreciate you. Thanks so much for subscribing. That scared me for a second. But yeah, so these levels, they're good. They're good, chat. We're chilling. All right, when it comes to NAS, you know how I feel about NAS. We usually wait till a little bit closer to 9:30. But we can give it a go. We can certainly give it a go. I just need to add probably this right here. Same thing with NAS. If we look at this on the daily, right, we closed outside of this range. And if you're wondering what range I'm talking about, if you ignore all my horizontal lines, please ignore them for a second and just check out this range in here, right? We closed above. Okay, it's very possible that we'll have that continuation up. So that's how we are looking at NAS. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Here it is here in the 4 hour. It looks like we just created a support on this level I have here. That bounce. Let's break it down to the 1 hour. Jeez. 8 o'clock is showing out, chat. Showing off and showing out. 44 points, 45 points on that bottom wick. And from the opening up, 74 points already. Wow. Wow. No, we don't need that anymore. Well, actually, if we bring this back in, it does kind of look like we created a support, not on top of this level, but you know what I mean. If we look to the left here in the hourly, we look at this whole big gap we have to fill, right? Big space in here. Looks better in the 4 hour, of course. Right, thinking that we're headed up towards this level over here. About 709. 709, 710, we're at 660, so we're about 50 points away. Yeah, about 50 points away. Abiggy, I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Is that how you say it? Abiggy Anatoni, hello, good morning. By the way, chat, let me know, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? The market is crazy right now. Entertaining to watch, I'll tell you that. This is very entertaining to watch. This volume here. Whoa, look at that, the 30-minute. Oh man, whoever's in these buys are probably really happy right now. 90 points. Jeez. Again, I do believe we're probably headed up towards this area here. Gonna have a little turbulence. Should have some turbulence in that area coming up in the 700s. We're at 670. Thinking we're heading towards 700 here, about 30 points away. Repeat, we are at 670. I do have a line here at 80. But, I mean, we blew past these other two levels. And remember, chat, with volume, right? When you have a lot of volume in the market, you will blow past levels. That is pretty standard, typical. Speaking of, I kind of want these levels to be bigger. I just do because I feel like it's a little easier to see, right? Hi, Ben. I see you, Ben. This kind of market can blow your account if you're not careful. Facts. Facts. It's a really good point there. Fierce. Braylon, what's up? What's up? What's up, Lens? Market's closed early today, just to let you know. Thank you, Braylon. Thank you, thank you. Actually, I did not know that. I did not know. But I'm assuming, are they closing at his speech time? Could be. Could be, chat. I gotta check. What time is it supposed to close? Is it closing at 12? Oh, we got one more level up here. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay, there we go. My weekend was good, and yours? That's awesome, Ben. My weekend was great. Had like a self-care weekend, chat. I tried a new dessert at a place, which was very nice. I cooked quite a bit over the weekend. I mean, I did go out and buy a few things, but I cooked some delicious food. We gotta get that camera working so I can bring you to my kitchen, chat. I'll be cooking with Lens in the morning in the pre-market session. But yeah, chat, it always feels nice. I don't know if those of you cook. Let me know in the chat if you cook. Give me a yes or a no if you cook. It's a great feeling to make something from scratch and it come out and taste really good, right? Ain't nothing like it. I'll tell you that. Ain't nothing like it. Let's see, who cooks in the chat? Let me see something. I'm just changing this to a darker color because this is hard to see. Muggsy, you cook? What's up, Muggsy? Good morning. Amanda, yes, sir. We started my food business next month. Really? Smokey, I could see that. I could see you cooking good. I could really see that. That's awesome. Food business. That's cool. That's different, right? Good luck to you. Wishing it well. Muggsy loves to cook. You know, I used to dread it, chat. I used to dread it. I used to be like, oh my God, I'm lazy. Let me order something. Let me go pick something up. And I do that sometimes, you know. But, I mean, DoorDash, you know, that will take up a big chunk of your check, chat, if you get addicted to it. Don't get spoiled now. Because, I mean, you are spending $10 more than what you would normally spend in person. And that adds up, chat. You pay $20, $30 per meal, per delivery. 5 times is already $100. And you spend $100 on deliveries. I mean, think about groceries. You know? That's expensive. I mean, it's a luxury, you know? If you think about it, it's a luxury to be able to get food delivered to you, you know? On that note, chat. On that note, I think you know what time it is. It is time for that daily affirmation. So I'm going to need you all to do me a favor. Okay, and go ahead and put a 111 in the chat so we can do that daily affirmation. Big 111 for me in the chat. Let's see what we got for you today. Today is January 20th, 2025. What's today's daily affirmation? All right, it says, you aren't lost. You're just in an uncomfortable state of your life where your old self is gone, but your new self isn't fully born yet. I like that one, chat. I like that one. Yeah, chat, sometimes we go through these growth stages and we don't understand what's going on in the present moment, but when you look back, you're like, that's why that happened, right? Anybody ever experienced that? Where you look back and you're like, thank goodness that happened, you know? Just a reminder as you navigate through life. Keep that in mind. Everything happens for a reason. You just got to figure out that reason, and you'll feel much better. For the greater good, chat, for the greater good. And we will have some fun facts today because a lot of stuff went down over the weekend. A lot of stuff. And I know y'all seen that Trump meme coin. If you haven't, or if you don't know about it, there was a coin released for Trump over the weekend. And people who invested like 300, 500, 800, the next day they woke up, they were up like $1 million or like 300K or 3 million. Like I've seen some crazy numbers. Can you imagine off of like $800, you're up like 1 mil the next day? Changed a lot of people's lives, I'll tell you that. Obviously those are things we can't predict, chat, unexpected stuff, but I don't know if you saw that over the weekend. But this morning I did see that coin dropped, of course, because it just shot up, right? It just shot right up. But let me see if I can pull up an example for you. Although in Thailand it's cheap as chips. That's funny, Muggsy. Yeah, it is cheaper to eat in Thailand. Definitely. Bring our American money over there, we be rich. Okay, chat, let me see if I can find an example of that coin so y'all can see it. Oh, I want to see an example of someone shorting it though. But yeah, chat, it made quite a few millionaires over the weekend. But the problem is that I was going to tell you is a lot of people said that they were holding because, mind you, it was only 24 hours or less. They're holding to make more money. And we talk about greed in trading, but let's talk about greed in general. That's pretty greedy, right? Imagine being someone who is wishing to have financial freedom. By the luck of the universe, you invested your last couple $100 in that coin. You're up $1 million. And you sit there and you go, you know what? I want to make more. That's ungrateful. And you know what happened between this morning and last night? It dropped massively. So those who were holding those profits overnight, it's gone. Hope you cashed out. I hope you cashed out. And hey, if you didn't, then that's a lesson to learn. Ain't it, chat? That's a lesson to be learned. Ungrateful. Ungrateful. Man, if I woke up If I invested a couple hundred in a coin and the next day I woke up, I was up 1 million or 2 million, I'm cashing out. What is there to think about? If you don't know how lucky you are, so I can't wait to see the post later on today on Twitter chat. I can't wait to check in with those who were up and said they were holding, because ain't no way. Ain't no way you let that go to zero. Oh man, that is embarrassing. In Thailand, it's cheaper to eat out every day than it is to buy groceries. Really? Wow. Now that's different. Sure enough, I'll be paying for people to cook my food then. Imagine, right? You no longer trade currency. No, the only currency I traded was really GJ. Other than that, I mostly traded gold and NAS more than anything. If anything, I traded gold more than GJ. But what's up, Dexter? Good morning. I'm Steven. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Francis Mustafa. Hey. Good morning to you. Welcome back. The only thing to think about is how not to break my finger hitting that sell button. Leo Tender, good morning to you. You're so funny. Facts. I'm really trying to find on Twitter those ones who said they were holding it. I need an update. I need to know how we're feeling this morning. Try to find it, chat. Although, won't be surprised if they didn't post at all today, because that's pretty depressing, to wake up to it gone. Should have cashed out. Should have took your 1 million and left. Now you right back where you was. I don't know what to tell you. Don't know. By the way, chat, can y'all hear the music okay, or should I... Sorry, let me mute my phone. Or should I turn it up a bit? Let me know in the chat. Can you hear it okay, or should I turn it up a bit? By the way, it is 9 o'clock. I am watching the charts. Of course, there's no trade on this candle. What am I gonna do? Take a sell and put my stop loss 200-300 points up? No. What am I gonna do? Take a buy? There's not enough market structure here for me, personally. Not enough. Although it is looking like it was just a pullback. I'll show you what I mean on the hourly. Like if I were to put a fib here. Oh my God, you can't even see that. What in the world? Hold on, chat. Oh, we gotta make this a color you could see, huh? Oh my goodness. Sorry, chat. I think the gray works, right? What color should this be? Should it be green? I don't know what color I want that to be. Something I could see. Okay, let me see. I could see that, right? But yeah, I was gonna say, it almost looked like we pulled back towards that 0.88 level, which we did. And there goes that continuation bounce. Almost looking like a 3-bar reversal now. Okay, we're gonna look at this on the 15-minute. That's interesting though, if this is really that bounce. Jeez. Are we gonna correct this move down? Music's good. All good. Good afternoon, Randy. Hey, appreciate that, y'all. Thank you. 6 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. It's giving reversal vibes here. Where's the VWAP? I'm just curious. Oh, at 740, and where are we at? 735 right now. Interesting. What we're going to do is we're going to anchor 8 o'clock. Whoa, that is not an anchor. What did I just click on? Oh, there we go. Oh, this is so light. It's so hard to see. I didn't think y'all could see that on the stream. I'll make it a little lighter or a little darker. Okay. All right, we are chilling. Futures and Forex gold chart look really different today. Usually they're a lot similar. Looks a little different today. Yeah, I guess sometimes it could look slightly different, but the same at the same time. Today's gonna be an odd day to trade. I'm just letting y'all know it's an odd day. We've got unusual volume. We got Trump speaking. In 3 hours, he's gonna be speaking. So yeah, definitely want to watch out for that. Sean, good morning to you, Sean. Let me see if I can figure out when the market is closing. Closing at 12 Central Time. So what, 1 p.m.? Oh, quarter. Yeah, okay, like 12 Central Time. So 1 o'clock. All right, y'all, market's closing early. All right, let's put a poll in the chat. I'm gonna type that. Okay, chat, answer this question as if I didn't just say anything and as if our fellow official community member didn't just tell us. Answer it as if you didn't hear it from the stream today. Did you know before the stream started? Be honest, chat, be honest. All right, while we're waiting for this candle to close, we're going to do some fun facts, y'all. Some fun facts. We're going to talk about some things that happened over the weekend. Okay. All right, let's see what we got for you. Okay. So this one, the world's quietest room is 20 decibels and so quiet you can hear your blood flowing. Did you know that, chat? Fun fact for you. Did you know that? It's so quiet you can hear your blood flowing. Insane, chat. What's good, Sean? Grand rising to you, Sean. I see you. Gotta hit that TP. That's crazy, right, chat? Hear your blood flow? Like, what in the world? What does that mean? Okay, let's see here. To my Nintendo Switch lovers, they are announcing the Switch 2. So they are coming out with a second one. Okay. I don't need it because I already have one and I barely use it. Okay. Give me 1 second, chat, because my dog just barked. Let me. All right, Chad, I'm back. Right on time for that candle to close. Literally nothing wrong with the original Switch, right? Like, what is the upgrade gonna be besides the colors? Like, what is the upgrade? Okay, let's see here. On that closure on gold, just measure that 100 points on this 15-minute candle. Still open though on the 30-minute, of course. We got about 14 minutes left on that 30-minute. No play right now. We are chilling. No play right now. Let's take a look at NAS. It's going to be the last 15-minute candle until 9:30. 9:30 is going to be interesting after the volume we just saw. I'll say that. We'll keep it on the 15-minute here. It's zoomed in. What's up, Dave? Good morning to you, Dave. Oh, Dave, I think you lost your crown. Yeah, I don't see a crown next to your name. All right, y'all, let's continue on with those facts while we're waiting. Another fact for you. This company built the world's largest vacuum to suck out air pollution. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. So, you know, the concept of a vacuum, but on a huge scale, on a building scale. Not a bad idea. I mean, you know, people don't think about, not to go too deep into it, but just to keep it simple, people really don't think about pollution every day. They're just doing whatever. But the reality is you realize the pollution changes the things in our atmosphere. We are so blessed to be on Earth. You don't want to be on other planets. I don't know if y'all know about what goes on other planets, but maybe one day we'll, and maybe today, if it, you know, if nothing happens on the chart, we'll watch that video today so you can see. But I don't know if y'all know about the extreme weather on other planets. We are blessed to be on this planet. Okay. Yeah, it's AI generated because the company's building it. It's not built yet, but it's just an idea of what it's gonna look like. So, but yeah, I'm excited to see what that's gonna eventually look like when they do finish building it. But anyway, yeah, when we're polluting the air and we're changing up the atmosphere, if you're wondering why the hurricanes get stronger, tornadoes get stronger, all that stuff ties into factor. Just making these storms stronger. I'm just saying. Like I said, we won't go too deep into it. But, hey, let's try to minimize that pollution. I don't know if y'all know, but Friday, I think we talked about this morning. Friday was the last trading day under Biden. So today's the first trading day under Trump. I think we talked about that. Next, there's nearly 22 million Americans who are millionaires. Why do we bring this up? Well, we bring it up because you can be one of those millions. And if you don't live in America, it's not about where you live. It's just the fact that it's possible. It's the fact that there's so many people who are that you can be too. It doesn't have to relate to trading. It can relate to you starting a business, you know, whatever your heart desires. But just throwing it out there as some motivation that there are plenty of people who've done it. Most of the people who have done it started from the bottom with nothing. So just remember that. The majority of millionaires grew up poor. Just saying. There's a lot of self-made. So don't think you can't do it. Okay? Let's see. What else we got for you? On that topic of self-made millionaires, the average self-made millionaire reads 2 or more books every month. Can't make this up, chat. When I used to Google as a kid how to become a millionaire, what do millionaires do? What are millionaire habits? All those little things, as I'm sure you have before. The answer that kept coming up was reading books. And I was like, what do you mean reading books? What books? You know, as a kid, you know, You're like, that's not the answer. Give me the answer. What do I need to do, you know? But no, that is the answer. I promise you that's the answer. You gotta realize when people write books, they're mentoring you. So you're getting mentored, right? Think about it. And you have to level up your mindset to grow. So when you're reading the book, you're leveling up your mindset. So if you're not upgrading yourself, how do you expect everything else to align around you and upgrade? Start working out, start eating right, and put good things into yourself, you know, and other things fall into place. I know it sounds so simple, right? And it is. It is simple. It's just not easy to do. It's not easy to stick to your gym schedule. It's not easy to eat healthy and maintain that. And, you know, it's not easy to do all those things. It's easy to make a list, but to stick to it and be disciplined consistently, you know. What strategy do you trade? Great question, Muggsy. I trade my strategy only. As I have been since I've been up here. Been streaming on YouTube since 2021. A long time. But yeah, my strategy. Right now, not really seeing anything appetizing, chat. Although, chat, I really don't feel like I'm going to take any trade today. I mean, we'll see. But right now, we're just kind of having a watch party here. Remember we talked about NAS getting up to those 700s. We just touched 700 just now. I wonder if we're gonna blow past 700 or if we're gonna respect the turbulence in that area and cooperate here. Let's see. Oh, there's a little pop there. There was a little bit of a pop. Hola, hey, Miela, I see you. Good morning. Can you give a breakdown what it entails? I give that breakdown every single Saturday morning, Mugs. Every Saturday morning. In detail. That's for the super supporters. But as far as like a general overview of my strategy, I basically have my key levels as you could see here. The important levels are going to be these gray levels here. The minor levels are going to be this blue level, right? So I highlight the important levels for you here, right? Those are the major levels. And through that and through different patterns, I like to look at pretty much determining the direction of the day or the next move, the next setup. That's about it. That's about it. And then there's only 4 different ways. No, 3. It's only 3 different ways that I really enter a trade. So yeah, so I stick to the same entries. That's about it. I just look for entry setup on my zones, and that's about it. Not much to it. But the key is sticking to the same type of entries. You know, that's the key. And there's so many different ways you can enter the market, of course. Like there's so many different ways, so many different setups. You know, we all see it our own way, you know. But yeah, when I was randomly entering years ago, it didn't work out. But if you think about it, chat, consistency comes from doing the same thing over and over, right? So pick something and stick to it. That's why they tell y'all pick a strategy and stick to it. You know, fix it up, doctor it up, You know, look at your trading journal, see what you can do better, see what you're doing good at, and that's how you kind of put it all together, you know. Find something that works for you. Don't see no A+ setups on NAS yet? Yeah, me either, Sean. Me either. In a day like today, I'm only looking. I gotta be an A setup for sure. It gotta be an A. B setup, I'll question it, but at this point, I don't see nothing. Don't get me wrong, I see the patterns that they're putting on the market right now. I do see them, but they're not favorable to where I would want to enter. Like, I see this candle flip setup. Those of you who learned candle flips from me years ago, we see the candle flip setup. But it's just not an ideal spot right now where we want to take those type of setups, right? It's risky. It's 9:30. We had unusual volume this morning. I'm not going to take this candle flip play. You know? Even though it's there. So that ties into it too. Deciding when to trade and when not to trade, right? And you know, times like this, I decide not to even talk about it or trade it. And it looks like it would have worked out a little bit. 30 points. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, stick to the plan. Yeah, I promise you, every time I don't stick to the plan, it does not end up well. I mean, even when I first started withdrawing money out of my personal live account, you know, I would still have days where I don't stick to the plan. And that was when I knew I had to stick to the plan, right? And I'd still mess up. And, you know, with that said, I'm only a human. And trading's not perfect, y'all. It's not perfect, but you grow with it. You know, if you're determined to grow with it, you will. You will. The more you withdraw money, the more your mind will help you be a little bit more at ease when you're doing things. Because right now, most people are chasing money. They're chasing that withdrawal. They want to, you know, beat these prop firm challenges and get on to withdrawing some big profits. And I understand. But when you chase something, it runs. Now imagine if you weren't chasing it and you already had it. You're a little bit more chill. You know, so baby steps, y'all. Baby steps. Get that first withdrawal. Congratulate yourself. Get a second withdrawal. Congratulate yourself. Start building up your own personal account. I can't stress that enough, and I've been telling y'all that every single year since I've been on YouTube, to work on that personal account, because nothing sucks more than you having a live account with Top Step and you go and draw down because you have a bad trading month and you lose it. Do all that hard work and you lose it. Not because you blew the whole account, but because you hit the trailing drawdown. Well, that sucks. You know, and in reality, there's no trailing drawdown in your personal live account, so you know what I mean? So always remember, the big goal is to work on your own personal account, y'all, when you're withdrawing. We got about a minute left. A minute left here in this candle. Bitcoin showing out. Let's see. 50 seconds on the clock, chat. 50 seconds. Good old 50. We may have to play some speed chess today, chat. It may be a speed chess type of day here. While we're waiting 15 seconds till closure, let's take a look at gold here on the hourly. Kind of getting caught up in this level here. 735 area. All right, we had a closure, although it's interesting. Nothing look promising to me right now, chat. I'm gonna be honest with you. This body was so small, 19 points. I know 19 points isn't small, but 19 points compared to 100, come on, you know? So no play on gold, 930 closed. No play here either. I mean, we're pretty much very close to the top. We're about 20 points away towards the top of this zone. Really just looks like we blew past this zone. I don't even think we need those zones in between there. Let me just see. Do we need these zones? Maybe just that one. I feel like we don't really need them. I'm gonna just keep one. All right, y'all, new 30-minute, like I said, and this candle's gonna close on the 30-minute. It's gonna close at 10. So, yeah, just kind of being patient here. Really no moves right now. We expected today to be a slow day, though. No worries. Today was supposed to be slow. Slow market day. Need that presidential setup, right? Are you in Canada? No, I'm in the US. What's up, though? Good morning to you. No, I'm in the West Coast. All right, child, let's do some speed chess real quick. Let's see. I want to make it so we can see both sides. Got 12 minutes till closure. Simply just waiting for closure here. Is that good? You can see everything, right? You can see my timer down here. All right, we're going to play some 1-minute bullet. Mistakes will be made because we only got 1 minute, right? The last time you saw me, my level was like 550 in bullets. So now my level is 605. I'm struggling to get to 700 in my bullet rating. So we'll see. Let's go. And yes, we're playing real people, chat. Yes, it's real people. That's annoying. That was a bad move, chat. That was a really bad move. Jeez. Oh my god, I didn't see that. That was a quick checkmate, chat. Holy. Holy. Alright, new game. First game of the day. Look at 945 there on NAS. Moving on up. I repeat, moving on up. Check. One on time, holy. One on time there. Good morning, King. What's up, King? Amanda said nice. As a West Coast resident, who would you say your favorite West Coast artist is? I just moved out here, so technically the majority of my life is in the East Coast, but I wouldn't say, I don't really have a favorite West Coast or East Coast artist. I just like music. Yeah, I don't really have like a favorite West Coast or East Coast artist. Why didn't you take that buy trade? Which one, on gold or on NAS? If you're talking about NAS, because NAS is not in a spot where I want to trade it. Today's not the day to, you know, go based off patterns too much, because it's presidential day. Yo, what's up, man? We're live on stream.
Oh, you live? Hit me after.
Hold on. Hey, chat, it's pocketing Pips, chat.
Yo, what's up, y'all? How y'all feeling?
Oh, let's see if they can see. It's pocketing Pips, chat. All right, I'm gonna hit you after stream. All right, bet. Y'all remember Pocketing Pips? It's another trading YouTube channel. Make sure you look him up when you get a chance, y'all. Make sure you look him up. But yeah, Paul, because it's not, NAS isn't in the spot where I want to trade it right now. We have unusual volume going on in the pre-market. And whenever we have unusual volume in the pre-market, I just kind of, you know, I kind of sit back and watch a little more usually. I'll wait till after 9:30 and get a feel, you know. Remember, 9:30 can be unpredictable sometimes, y'all. It's not always going to be a pitch perfect setup at 9:30. Okay. All right, let's see here. We got about 5 minutes and 40 seconds left. Let's go ahead. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Oh. This person's making some fast moves. Holy. Ooh, free queen, free queen. Uh-oh. Is the game over or am I going to screw it up? I hope I don't screw it up. Trade me. There we go. I'm just moving on up, chat. Moving on up. What? What? Speed round for real. Checkmate. Checkmate. Holy. The time was not in my favor there, chat. I'm like thinking in my mind, like, how can I checkmate this? Dang. Okay, okay. I think I'm done for today. It is slow. Yeah, it's slow. Remember, the market is closing early today, y'all. We literally... Wait, what time is it? East Coast time. 7:41, 9:41. You only have 3 hours and 20 minutes till the market closes. 3 hours and 20 minutes. Let's take a little pause here. NASA's up, up, up. All right. Yeah, we are at that level we talked about. So when we were down here at 8 o'clock, let me mark it up for you. When we were down here at 8 o'clock, talked about how we have an imbalance here to fill. So we definitely filled that out. We're most likely going to close above this level to complete that fill. So, and we are moving into a turbulence area now, so it's going to be interesting. Where'd you get the information about the time the market was going to close? In the chat. Someone said it in the chat, and then I just looked it up. But usually when I know, it's usually because it'll pop up. It'll just pop up. Say like I'm on Twitter or something. It'll literally just pop up in the morning, but I wasn't really up there in the morning. So yeah. Anything trading related usually pops up. Let's see, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. We are in that next range, but again, quite the turbulence level coming up to. Let's see, we're at 770. I wonder if we're going to reach the 800s today. Jeez. Big opening range today, by the way, chat. Let me get this 9:30 candle. All right, I'm gonna leave it like this, y'all. Bank holiday, Martin Luther King Day, yeah. Put that more over to the side. Gold retracing down a bit. All right, let's take a sip of tea. Let's do a new game. Oh goodness, I'm not ready. Interesting move. Nope. Not losing my queen that early. Crazy. This is a weird setup. Dang, I'm so lost, chat. It's such a weird setup. Oh my god, white one on time. This was a weird setup. I was lost. I don't know if y'all saw my face. Well, I'm just like, what? I lost on time. Oh, that was weird. For me. I should have reviewed that game because I know I messed up a lot. I know it. Yeah, I definitely did not see that checkmate coming, chat. I think I'm still asleep here. Still sleeping. Candle closed on the 15-minute, y'all. It's gonna be the second half. That 30-minute candle at 9:30. Take that queen. I guess not today. I don't know what the point of that was. Okay. Are you gonna take it or not? That was a confusing game too, chat. What the heck? That was a weird game. Okay, let's come back over to gold. Whoa, look at this hourly candle here. Wow, looks like it's about to flip bearish here. Only 10 points away. Patiently waiting here till about 10 o'clock. We got about 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Let me know, chat, did you take any trades today? Did anybody take any trades today? Let me know in the chat. I'm just curious. Good morning, Pocketing Pips. There you are. What's up, Raven? Yes. Not as yet. Missed two nice ones. Ah. No trade safe so far. Been Chop City. Yeah. I'm just being more cautious today. If I was gonna take one, it would have been the candle flip at 9:15 here. But that too, the fact that it was at 9:15, I can't stand taking trades at 9:15 on NAS specifically. I can't stand that. It was right before 9:30. So I don't really like that. But other than that, I don't know if I believe gold's actually coming down, y'all. I don't know if I believe that. Got about 7 minutes left. What's up, Moses? I see you. Osama, volume's low. Took a short, got break even at 8:30, still confused. Hey, at least you got break even. Hey, better than a loss. Always better. That's still a W. 3rd time's the charm? That's funny. Hi, Janice. What's up, Janice? Good morning. Oh, in the pre-market. Took it on NQ and ES. Is your chart inverted? Wait, my chart's inverted? Wait, what? Oh my God, look at what gold looks like for currencies versus for futures. Oh, it looks so different. Looks bullish here, but wait, no way my chart's inverted. You scared me. Hold on. Where's the inverted option? Or is it on the scale? Invert scale. Wait, but I see what you mean, Wizzy, because gold was going up. Well, that was on the currencies, though. Yeah, it looks different from the currencies. Am I tripping, chat? Up 1% for the day on a bank holiday. I'll take it. Yeah, awesome. Good morning from Dallas, Texas. Shout out to Dallas, Texas, Osama. Good morning to you. Appreciate you. That's great. You have the right attitude. That's all that matters. I've been blessed to my God. Cannot complain whatsoever. Yep. Hey, break even is always a W. Let's see, child. Let's see. Less than 5 minutes to go on this closure. All right, you know what time it is, chat. Speed run. Here we go. Who we playing now? Border Docs? Border Docs? Is that how you say that name? Oh, jeez. Whoa. Coming out aggressive, Border Docs. We're coming out aggressive here. Whoa, okay. Trade me. There we go. I'll take that. I respect it. I'll go here. I'll go here. We'll go there. We'll go here. Yeah, move it out the way. I don't know. I'm not trading right now. Need to rotate this out. I think that was a good trade, chat. That wasn't a good trade, but that's okay. What? Oh my goodness, ran out of time, ran out of time. All right, let's take a pause here. NASA's coming back down to 732. We were at 770. A bit of a pullback here. Remember, this is our opening range here. If I were to draw it, right in this area. Kind of small, right? And usually if it's a little small, that means we're gonna have a chopped day. Typically, we may be in a chopped mess. So try to keep that in mind. But we already expect that today. I mean, to be honest with you, this moved a lot more this morning than what I thought it was. I didn't think it moved too much until maybe 10 o'clock, but quite the movement we had this morning, chat. You love chess? For real? You play? I didn't know you play. What's up, Frankie? I love it. You gotta exercise the mind, you know? All right, chat, we got time for another game. We have 50 seconds on the clock till closure. 50 seconds. Whoa, quick moves. Oh, go here. What the heck? Aggressive. We got another aggressive one. Rotate this knight. Uh-oh. Pac-Man out here. Pac-Man, Pac-Man. I don't care about that. Cool. Cool. Okay. Take it. It will take it. Oh my goodness. Too bad we didn't have enough time for this one. This game I would actually like to play out. Dang. What's up, Frankie? Glad to see you still out here in these markets, still trading stock options. Excited for tomorrow's action. Let's go, Frankie. Good morning to you. I'm glad to see you back in the chat. Appreciate you. Let me know, how's your stock options going? I always appreciate those who can do options. I tried it a long time ago. Wasn't for me personally, but I respect that y'all can do it. I mean, that's good. It's an acquired skill for sure. All right, here around the next 15-minute candle, let's take a look at these markets here. See on the 4-hour. Tough spot, chat. I mean, yeah, we could swing down a little bit further if price really wants to, but are we? I guess we'll continue watching this on the 15-minute. Nothing for me. Nothing at all. Taking a look at NAS. Nothing for me here either. Well, I do see how the hourly candle closed here at 9. It's a funny closure there. Chat, I am hungry. Holy. Holy, I hope y'all don't hear my stomach growling. I'm definitely hungry. We're gonna keep an eye on NAS, just like this over here. Probably gonna have a short stream today, chat. I know it's already been an hour and a half, but market is marketing. Doing all right so far. 3 stop loss hit, 2 TPs, and I'm up 6%. Let's go. 6%. That's awesome. Great job. It's a great return. All right, chat, it is 10 o'clock on the other side of the world. Remember, Trump is speaking at 12. Not the other side of the world, but the other side of the country, right? Trump is speaking in 2 hours. And remember, right after that, the market is going to be shutting down as well. Just keep that in mind. Oh, I thought they left. Okay. That was an interesting move. Okay. 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 That was a bad move. Okay. Give me that queen. Ooh. We won on time, but guess what? They were in check, so they had to move their king. No matter where they moved their king, I was taking that queen on the next turn. WIQ, chat. WIQ. All right, we got 8 minutes. Holy. How long's the shutdown for? I think it's shut down till Asian session. Yeah, that's typically how long when they shut the markets down early. Opens back up for Asian session. Marco, good morning to you. Hit break even this morning. Could have trailed and got a little money, so I documented in my journal. Nice. W documentation in the journal, Marco. Yeah, it's a little bit of an unpredictable day. I mean, we saw some setups, but not the day I want to take them. I'll tell you that. Tomorrow, I'm more than happy to take what I see. Ooh, let's go here. Okay. 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 Go for that. Yup. Back it up a little bit. We'll back it up too. No! Come on. Come on. Lost on time. You know what was coming, chat. That was a good game. I think I took, yeah, they had 25 seconds left. Wait, I was taking way too long to take my turn, but I had some good moves in this one. All right, let's take a little stop here in the market. It's still looking the same. Yeah, you thought gold was going down. Look at it now. Look at it on that hourly. Remember, I did kind of throw in this fib, and I was waiting till around 10. We could have a push up now in this area. If this candle flips bullish on gold, we could have a buy up. But tough. Let's see if we flip bullish. Maybe a 56-point stop loss. That's kind of annoying, isn't it? Ain't that annoying? $56 points? Are you crazy? Ain't no way. Alright, let's take a look at NAS. It's still looking the same. Alright, back to chess, y'all. My stomach is going crazy. Let me know in the chat if you ate breakfast this morning. Who ate breakfast this morning, chat? Or did you have air? Who had air? This person is funny. Thank you. was actually helpful. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. The sneak attack chat. Oh, Lewis said the night. I missed the night. Where did I miss the night chat? Where did I miss the night? Hold on. Replay mode like we're on the charts. Where did I miss the night? I'll go to the beginning again. Okay. Where was the night? Where did I miss the night? Oh, the bishop. Go back. Oh, go back. This? Before I move that horse. Before this? Now they move the horse. G7, 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 G7. Over here? Oh, wait, so it was before that. G7. Wait, G7 is right here. When was the horse on G7? Oh, G6? Okay, G6. This bishop? Okay, when was that bishop? Oh, if you're talking about here, I didn't take here because they would have took back and opened up the rook. That lane would have been open. Right? If I go take, they take back. Now this lane was open. If you're talking about that, that's why I didn't take that. Oh, yeah, the pawn at the end, yeah. Yeah, this was guarding this the whole time. That was a good one. Okay, let's minimize. All right, candle closed on the 15-minute. Did talk about this possibly circling back up. It'd be a 56-point stop loss. I don't know if I'm feeling 55.56 on a bank holiday. Don't know if I'm feeling that today. Tough work, y'all. Tough work in the markets. It's all good though. Got a little chest going, keeping the mind exercised here. Just keeping the mind going, chat. Oh my god, how come I couldn't pick up the horse? My goodness. Oh no, my queen, my queen, my queen. I blundered my queen there. Too bad you can't take back moves, huh? Can't take back moves, chat. I won on time? No way. No way I won on time. Okay, here we go here on gold again. I was thinking we're going to be buying up and I was going to be flipping up. But I'm not keen on that stop loss. The shortest stop loss I can think of is below the current candle, but that's quite a risk. Even that's 25 points. But yeah, that's my thoughts on gold. That gold may launch up now. Let me know in the chat if you're taking that. I'm not. I'm most definitely not taking that. 100% I'm not taking that. Holy, I gotta move faster. Checkmate. That seemed a bit simple. New game, new game. Check, 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 check. Oh, I didn't take the knight there. Move it out the way. We'll go here. Oh, what happened towards the end? I kind of lost my mojo. NAS is heavily coming down here. Now, the 1 hour did close as a QB at 9 o'clock. Typically, you do get a bearish closure next to it, but I mean, anything can happen in these markets. But we are coming down quite a bit. No top wick either. 64 point. Coming down, coming down. Now I wonder if this is a pullback to continue up. That's something we can look at. Yeah, that's something we can certainly look at. Because we're in the 90s, we're right below 700. If we come over here and we get like a favor retracement going, we just bounced right there at 0.786. That would be interesting if this indeed is setting up to reverse back up, right? Now, of course, if price comes down and hits this area right here at the 1, of course, that's completely invalid. That's exactly what would invalidate it for me. But just something I'm looking at since we've been uptrending. Is this just a pullback to continue up? Next in, innovation. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Hello, hello. So we do have about 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. It's just a theory, y'all. Just a theory. But it is something that I am looking at. 5-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. Maybe something we take a look at here. And instead of leaving that up, I'll just draw like a box here so you can see it a little better. Right in this area where he's gonna extend it out. 2 minutes. 2 minutes on that. Absolutely not touching gold today. Happy to sit in my hands and see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, maybe the best bet. It may be the best bet. One minute, 36 seconds on the clock. Just in time for one more game, and we'll take a look at it. Why was that a trade? I'm confused on why that was traded. I'm not gonna lie. I'm completely confused. Like, lost. Oh, it's my turn? I thought it was their turn this whole time. No. I thought it was their turn, chat. Damn, we're out of time, chat. All right, let's take a look. Candle did close indeed. If we break the high of this candle, may take a chance. 39 points. 39-point stop loss, chat. At the break of this 5-minute high. I was gonna say, I want this 15-minute candle to come down and tap into this area first, just to test it out and see. Good morning, Real Knowledge. Good morning to you. looking for a bounce off of this box here, y'all. I'm looking to put a stop loss down below this low here. That's going to be a stop loss area. I like that we're back in this area, testing it out. I'd like to see us launch up and break through this level here, and that would be where I would want to enter. We are watching very closely. Very closely, looking for us to break above 697. And if it doesn't do it on this candle, then I may rethink it. It's got 2 minutes to do it here, or I'm gonna probably rethink this setup. So nothing to it, chat. Have a plan and watch and see if it does what your plan is. If it does anything against your plan, then of course it's time to reassess that plan, right? And not enter anyway. You want to reassess. Right now we got this on a timer. I'm looking for it to do it within this 5-minute candle. If it doesn't do it, I won't take it, probably. Let's say we got 1 minute and 22 seconds on the clock. Looking for us to flip up bullish through this level. Is this the retracement that we were looking for here to hop into the buy train? And once we pull up back at 700, look like I see us come back up towards the 770s again. Okay, looking for us to break through these highs. Now it's not enough that we flipped up bullish. I would like to see it break through that previous 5-minute high here. We do have about 40 seconds to do that. Let's see if we can get a pop and a break. Struggling to do that. I got about 27 seconds on the clock. Looking for that pop and break here in the previous 5-minute candle. $15 seconds on the clock here. $4 seconds on the clock. Does not look like we're getting that pop and break. All right, candle close. Let's see what it looks like on the 3-minute. It looks like a candle flip on the 3-minute. Let's see here. Next 5-minute candle. Two weak bearish candles though. Still looking for a break above this one. Alright, we spiked the high, we did not break through it. That's a test. Let's see if we test it out again. That was a little spike. See that spike there? See if we can break through. Looking for that breakthrough here. There we go for another test, and there goes a pop through. I'm gonna enter that. Small risk today, y'all. 150. 150. Very small position. We're definitely looking at these 40s, but after the 40s, I want to look towards the 70s. If we get further than that, then we'll look straight towards 800. But as far as the first TP zone, remember I walked you through this trade step by step, right? First TP area we're looking at is definitely in the 40s. Then we'll look at the 70s. So I'm just gonna highlight it in green for you to see. Actually, I don't think I need to highlight it in green because we already have the lines there. I don't put too much on this chart. Looking for this 30-minute candle to 30 and 15-minute to flip up bullish and carry the torch here through the 700s. It'd be nice if we can fly through the 700s and go straight up to 800. Be about 110 points there. Again, very, very small risk. I'll keep it on the 5-minute there while we're waiting. All right, let's put some chests up here. Let's go. What's the method here, chat? What is the method? Why didn't they take the queen? Am I the only one confused? Am I the only one confused? Get that queen up out of here. Yeah, get it up out of here. I ran out of time, chat. I did too much thinking when I got trapped down there. What a trap that was. Good morning, 10K Don. What's up? What's up? Good morning to you. What a trap that was. Holy trap. Okay, chat. I'm just looking at the charts here to the left. Got about 3 minutes and 20 seconds here on this 15-minute candle. I repeat, 3 minutes. Okay. What's up, Rock IQ? Good morning to you. Hi, I'm New Clean Stream. Thank you. What PC would you recommend? Well, my PC costs as much as a used car, so I definitely don't recommend mine. But honestly, anything decent. I mean, if you're just trading, you don't really need much. You know, just a decent processor. There's really nothing to it. But if you want a gaming PC like what I got, then yeah, I have suggestions for you. If you got the budget for it. Yeah, I got a 490 graphics card. So for those who know, you know, them things is like 2,000. That's just my graphics card. But that's because I do gaming. What brand is mine? Digital Storm. Digital Storm PCs. They're really good. Great company. Build awesome computers. Mine's custom. Yeah, check them out. Digital Storm. They do payment plans too, so you don't have to like full out like, you know, pay for it full and stuff. Let's see. I don't know why I did that, chat. I'm losing my concentration. Why did I do that, chat? Why did I do that? I just gave up my queen for free. Ooh, stop out of that trade there. Oh my God. Oh, that was a bad game. Holy. That was a bad game, chat. Did you guys see Trump launch a coin? Yeah, we talked about that earlier. That Trump launch. That was crazy. People made millions overnight. I gotta recover from that bad game. Check. We will recover this game. We will recover. Okay. Really? I don't know why I didn't just take that. Check incoming. Check. Okay. Oh, on chat. A phone call. 1 second, chat. Okay. Wait. What? Wait. Oh, I lost on time. Damn. Okay. Hold on. Never would have expected him to launch a coin. Oh, I think, hey, Chad, you gotta remember when you're at a certain level, celebrity status and all that other stuff, they all have PR teams, they have management teams, they have all this other stuff. It's probably the team. Um, Hate to break it to y'all, but the PR team decides all these things. 'Cause how can we get people to like him? How can we get people who don't like him to like him? You get what I'm saying? That's not just for presidents, it's celebrities, all the above. When they do these things like that, they come up with these different ideas to get people to like the person per se. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's probably what that was. And then as far as um, him bringing TikTok back, I'm sure that was in the plan. Now he's gonna look like the savior, right? He's gonna look like the savior. People are gonna be like, "Oh my god," because a lot of people had TikTok as an income. It's people's income. So a lot of people just lost their income, which is really sad. So really feel for those people. So it's tough being a content creator. So yeah, if he brings that back, people get their income back. So of course, if you were against him and he brought back your income, you may be for him. You see what I'm saying? So I do believe that it's planned. But other than that, he's obviously friends with most of the leaders of other countries. So I'm not surprised that he could bring it back anyway. Yeah. But yeah, chat. I think we're gonna end the stream here. About 2 hours in. I'm not taking another entry on this news day here. We did like teeny tiny risk. So yeah, I think this was 128. Let's see. This was 0.001 of a loss. Not even 1%, less than 1. Not even half of a percent, not even half of a percent. Hold on, let's do the math. Hold on. Let's get the technicals, chat. We got a percent, and then we got half of a percent, and we got half of a percent, and then we got half of a percent. Percent. Okay, half of a percent, but half of that, but then another half of that, and that is exactly 0.0128. You can round it up to 13. And yeah, so that's what I was trying to say. Half, not half, but half. I can't chat. You know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, very tiny small. Like I said, we're not doing nothing crazy today. We gave it a little tiny shot. We knew the return wasn't going to be that much. What was the return going to be, like $400? Not much. But yeah, it's all good. Proper risk, low expectations. Thank you, Rock IQ. Can rock with this stream. I appreciate you. If you're new to the stream, before I end, I've been streaming on YouTube since 2021. I used to stream pretty consistently every day for that entire year. Y'all seen my profit and loss for the entire year. We've had some amazing times on this stream. I did take a break from streaming consistently, but I am back this year, so I'm happy to be back. So I hope you enjoy the streams this year, y'all. Remember, you can learn from me for free. Like, you can literally just watch me for free and just pick up on things and learn. So just take advantage. That's what I'm here for. All right, sounds good? Sounds good. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. We are here. We're back streaming consistently, all right? Oh, also, if you're new, I have my personal account in the background. Sometimes I'll pop that up on stream. And then this is the Top Step account. All right. Other than that, I will catch you later, y'all. Have a wonderful Monday. We will be live tomorrow morning. Thank you so much, y'all. Have a good one.